I'm looking at this camera, right? I just don't know how to work this. Today's video is about Valentine's Day, and I am going to make a Valentine's Day outfit. I don't know what. I've really not thought about this at all, but I'm gonna sit down here soon after I clean this mess. I'm definitely not one of those people who can keep their sewing room clean. That's just not me. I use it for everything and anything, and when I'm not sewing, it is basically a place for me to hide things away before I can actually put it away. It's either my sewing room or my basement, and the basement's cold, so it's my sewing room. I mean, just in case you guys didn't notice, my sewing room is also my workout room, and clearly I use the workout machine a lot. Snow! Come here! Hello! Hello! I was feeling rather uninspired last night, and I stopped designing because my brain was all over the place. So I decided to come to Joann's today and see if something strikes my creative brain, and just my luck. So we will have to find inspiration somewhere else. So at this point, I had a general idea of making a shirt with these pleats, and I was gonna make the pleats red, so I'm kind of like bleeding love or whatever. But that idea changes soon, eventually. I'm using this shirt pattern and I'm adding pleats to it. Not going to lie, altering the pattern was the longest part of this whole process because I had to transfer the pattern first, so copy it on a plain white piece of paper, and then cut, add the pleats, and do all that. And I had to do that from the front, for the front, the back, and the sleeves. If you guys thought this was going to be a video tutorial on how to make a Valentine's Day shirt, I am so sorry to disappoint you. So I loved how that turned out, but it was a little too long. It looked like a dress, so I shortened the shirt. And remember how I said everything changes, but that idea changes soon, eventually. And that's basically, you gotta trust the process. You gotta go with your gut feeling. So after I got done sewing the pleats on, I realized that I didn't really use the red fabric because this was supposed to be like a test at first to make sure it comes out right. But then I didn't want to do it again because it took me so long to do this. And so I just kind of liked it the way it was. So plan B. So this is the sleeve with the pleats, and I didn't like it. And so it was too tight. It didn't sit right. Something about it was odd. So I just ended up doing a regular sleeve for this one. And I did it in a red because I wanted to incorporate red. And then I did this. And the white and red kind of gave me like, I don't know, Queen of Hearts kind of vibe, like, you know, playing cards, deck of cards. So then I was like, what if I make the other sleeve black? And that would be a nice contrast with the red and the white. And I told you guys, you gotta trust the process. At this point, I'm so excited because this was going the way I wanted it to go. This is how I imagined it in my head. I'm editing this video and I realized that I didn't record anything after putting the sleeves on. I was so exhausted at this point. I just wanted to get done with it. So I forgot to click record and put on the collar, put on the motifs, and recorded nothing. So here's a video of me cutting up boxes. ASMR, anyone? I love how this shirt turned out, you guys. I did a color blocked collar. I added heart motifs to the sleeves and the front of the shirt, and I did buttons that were red and black just to give it the same contrasty feeling. You know, I'm a strong believer of the phrase trust the process, because that is literally what I did. Jesus took the wheel at this point and he just made it happen. I loved every second of this process. It took forever, but it turned out really good in my opinion. What do you guys think? You be the judge of it. Leave your comments below and let me know what you think about this shirt. What other videos should I make? I'm not good with content, I will be honest. I have no idea what to make. Easter's coming up, right? So maybe an Easter outfit. There's 4th of July, maybe a 4th of July outfit. I don't know. So just let me know. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Any comments that you leave, follow me on TikTok, Ash Taylor Official, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos once a blue moon. Don't get used to this. I am very inconsistent, so really depends on my mood and if I've taken my meds that day. So